rentportlandhomes.com. We are here at 19711 Southwest Brookfield Lane in Aloha. A nice two-story townhome. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. $1,749 is the rent. And it is 1,354 square feet. Comes straight inside, all hardwood floors throughout the home. Off to the left is the garage door. It is a 1-car garage. Into the living room. Wood burning fireplace. Nice island kitchen, stainless steel appliances, beautiful granite countertops. Off to the right is the half bath. Large pantry area. This house is, as you can see, currently occupied. It is available the end of October. Come outside to the back here. There's a kitty cat saying hi. Beautiful deck, beautiful green area back here. Large deck, so you can put so much stuff out here. And it's so nice and quiet with all the greenery back here. It is pet friendly, so you can bring your pet friends with you. There will be, of course, a pet fee and pet deposit for it. Go upstairs. As I said before, hardwood floors throughout the home. Go off to the right first. This is the first of 2 bathrooms. It is a shower tub combo. The 2 bedrooms face out over the deck. Large closets for lots of space and vaulted ceilings. And as I said, it does look out over the deck. So lots of greenery in the back here. Lots of privacy. Second of the 2 bedrooms, they're both about the same size. And we will go across the hall into the master bedroom. Master bedroom is quite large, takes up the same space as the other 2 bedrooms. Off to the left here is a large walk-in closet. This faces towards the driveway. Little nook over there. And it has its own bathroom, the second of the 2.5, with the tub shower combo. This one does have the double sink. And it does have the vaulted ceiling that takes the entire side. So again, we are at 19711 Southwest Brookfield Lane in Aloha. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath for $1,749 per month. It is available the end of October. Rentportlandhomes.com. Fill out your application. Get them in early because this place will not last. $51 application fee. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email or a text or call us. Rentportlandhomes.com, and we'll get your application going and get you in this beautiful home.